Okay, in our last lesson we learned letter G, lowercase g. So today we're going to learn Q, but first let's review our letters that we've done so far. We did A, do it with me, and O, and we did C, which is a little different. It starts below the midline. And now we're going to make a few G's. So we're going to start at the midline, counterclockwise, up and touch, come down through the baseline, loop to the left, cross over at the baseline, up to your midline. I almost missed it there. There's a bump in the table right there. Counterclockwise oval, up to your midline, well, up to, close your oval, sorry. Come down through your baseline, loop to the left, cross over at the baseline, up to your midline. And let's do one more just for good measure. 3 times is a charm. 3 little pigs, 3 little G's. Gee, that was fun, huh? Ha ha ha. Okay, now we're going to learn lowercase q. It is exactly the same as lowercase g, except that you loop to the right. And you don't do any crossing over. You have to bounce off like a ball. So we're going to pretend we're playing handball here. Okay, so we're going to start at the midline again, go a little to the left, make our counterclockwise oval, up and touch. Come down through your baseline, loop to the right, touch right at your baseline, and then bounce off and come up for your tail, just like that. This is really critical. You come down this way and you loop this direction. You bounce off right at the baseline. So practice aiming for those specific places. Get really good control of that pencil. Okay, counterclockwise loop, up and touch, down to the baseline. Loop to the right, bounce off, make your tail. There you go. That's letter Q. I'm going to make one more. I want you to practice, practice, practice. Feel free to re-watch these videos as many times as you need to get those letters the way that you want them.